Where the data is stored is the main one, because if it's physically somewhere, well, someone has access to it. Where it's processed, once it's processed somewhere, you can think that some rules may apply to that data, which entity actually have control over the data that you're giving to someone. Finally, the supply chain. If you give data to a supplier, well, you need to understand its full supply chain. No privacy statement, also no indication of where the data is going to be stored. What is the nature of the supply chain of that cloud provider? If it's secret, there is no indication of any security controls they put in place. If they don't have any compliance or security certification, that's another big red flags. And finally, location, right? What country the organization comes from, where the data is located, obviously will influence your confidence of the rules that will apply to that data. Not knowing which supplier you're actually using, right? So most companies today do not understand the full extent of the cloud supplier they're using. The second thing would be to make sure that those suppliers have the adequate security controls for their data. Obviously, you need a contractual framework, a good contractual framework, and you need something with indemnification and liability clause if something happens to the data.